Hello and welcome to video series presented by Integration Bytes. I am Mohammad Arsalan, working as AWS certified developer since last few years now. In this video, we will learn about AWS Amazon Web Services, and we will also cover what is AWS and what is the step-by-step process to learn about AWS. And I will be sharing more videos about AWS with you. Also, we will talk about why AWS is most popular. But before learning about AWS, we should know about cloud computing. So I have already created dedicated videos so you can also watch their video. But in short about cloud computing, so there are many companies in the world who are working on technology, whether that is small startups or big organization. All those companies need computers for doing work like for storing data, for uploading images, videos, and also other computing things, or creating their own servers. In past, organizations purchased their computer system and physical servers, then they maintain those physical machine. But in this era, we can get online computer system or rent for doing our works, and we will be paying rent as per our usage. This whole process are called cloud computing. So AWS provides services for cloud computing from small startups to big companies. Nowadays, there are so many companies who are using AWS, including Facebook, Amazon itself, Airbnb, Netflix, and many more. There is a survey as of 2023 that AWS has 31% market share for cloud infrastructure. That is the impact of AWS, and this is the reason that so many people are AWS user and try to get certified in AWS. So in short, AWS is the cloud platform where you can host your services easily with complete management. And one reason of success, AWS is a first player in cloud computing, and that is why it is the most popular cloud computing service provider. And second point is that they use pay as you go model. What that means? For example, if you are traveling in public transport, so you will be charged according to your destination and you don't need to maintain it. So same like this, AWS has payment model that depends on your usage. You can also check on AWS console account in detail. As I talked about Amazon Web Services as like cloud computing, who is using cloud computing, benefits of cloud computing, and also you can explore more about pricing models and different type of pricing. So now the question is that how can we use AWS? So first of all, go to AWS console and you have to create your own account on AWS console and sign in by using your credentials. Then you have to set up environment of your system or application according to AWS. Then you can easily start development with AWS. So if you are beginner or a startup team, then AWS also provides some free tier services, so you don't need to pay for those services in the beginning. I hope you have understand about AWS, but in the next video we will learn to create new account and IAM configuration. If you liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with others. Thank you.